CapCut is one of the easiest and most powerful video editing apps for beginners and content creators. But here is the thing. If you don't understand what each tool does, you are only using a small part of what it can actually do. In this video, I will walk you step by step through the CapCut mobile interface. And by the end of this video, you will learn what each part of this interface does, how to navigate it easily, and how to start using it for clean and professional edits. Now, the first thing to do is to open your CapCut video editing app just by clicking on the app, and it will bring you to the CapCut homepage. And in the CapCut homepage, you will see different sections in the CapCut homepage, and each of these sections comprises of tools that will help you in your video editing. For example, we have, when you come down here, you will see the edit section, and the next is the template section, and the next is the library, and the next is the me section. But we'll be starting with the edit section. And in the edit section, when you look up here, you will see the plan of CapCut you are using. If you're using the free plan, it will show here. If you're using the business plan, it will show here. If you're using the pro plan, it will show on this left hand corner. And at the right hand side, you will see a search bar icon. This search bar helps you to, search for a tool or template you desire to use for your video editing. So for example, if I search for a template, I can see, you see that there are a lot of templates here I can use. So it helps you to, search for important editing tool you want to use. Now, below the search bar, you will see the new video and this edit video. The new video helps you to import a new project to CapCut for editing. It helps you to import your new videos to CapCut for editing just by clicking on the icon, and you just select the video you want to edit and click on add. And when you click on add, it will bring you to the CapCut inside editing interface. So that is it for the new video feature. And for the edit photo, it helps you to import any photo you want to edit in CapCut. Just by clicking on it, you can import, select the photo you want to work on, and work on it. After that, you have your tool section. If you want to see more of the tool, you click on this hamburger icon that says all tools. Just click on it and you'll be brought to this CapCut tools interface. And when you look up here, you will see the recent tools I have used. And under the quick action, you see post templates. These are for CapCut template creators. You will see retouch. Retouch helps you to enhance your video. Maybe if you want to add makeup on your face, retouch helps you to do that. If you want to smoothen your face, Retouch helps you to do that. If just by clicking on it and you import your video and you can work on the face. You see the face icon here. It will help, work on the person's face. There are more things you can do with retouch feature. Next, we have the auto caption. This helps you to add subtitles to your video, or what we call captions to your videos, just by clicking on it. Select the video you want to add caption to and choose the how you want your how you want your caption to appear. You click on generate and your caption will be generated, and that's it. That's how you use the auto caption tool. Next, we have the teleprompter tool. The teleprompter tool helps you to read your script while filming or while making your videos. So to use it, you just tap on it, click on it, and you will see the script. This arrow icon here helps you to move the script, to move the teleprompter, and this pencil icon here helps you to edit the script just by clicking on it, and you can edit the script or work on your or paste your script. And this setting icon here helps you to adjust the speed of your scripts, how slow you want your script to be or how fast you want your script to be. And the font size helps you to adjust the font size of your script. If you want your font to be bigger than this, you can, increase it. If you want it to be smaller, you can reduce the font size. And in this part where you have color, you can use it to change the color highlights of your scripts. If I want the highlights to be white, then it will change to white. If I want it to be black, the color highlight will change to black. If I want it to be orange, the color highlight will change to orange. But I love it to be in yellow. So that is it for the teleprompter tool. Next, we have the camera tool. The camera tool is used to make videos on the CapCut app. Yes, you can make videos on the CapCut app using the camera tool. So you just click on it and just click on it and you make your video. Over here, click on this arrow icon. You can use the teleprompter app on the camera tool. You can adjust the speed of your video. If you want the sound of your video to be fast, you can, increase it here. If you want it to be slow, you can reduce it here. And we have filters. If I want to add filter to the video while filming, I can click on any filter and filter will be added to my video. And we have the timing. We have the timing here. That's if I'm coming to that part. We have the timer here, and we have the video duration, and we have the video resolution. You can change the video resolution here too. And when you come down, you will see two options here. It's either you make your videos in multiple clips, meaning that your videos will not be long. It will be splitted. It will be in multiple clips, or you you choose to make your video in one shot. One shot means there will be no splitting of your scripts, like your video, your video will not be splitted. It will just, you will just make your video and it will be straight, like, you know. But this multi clips helps to make your video in multiple clips, and you can also adjust the time duration here too. You can adjust the time duration. If you want to make a 3-minute video, you can use the multi clips, adjust the time duration to 3 minutes and make your video in 3 minutes. If you want to make it in 6 seconds, same. But if you use this multiple clips option to make a 10-minute video, your video will be cut short on the way. So that is it for CapCut camera. Next is auto enhance. Auto enhance helps to add color grading to our video. It helps to, beautify our video. By clicking on it, you import the video you want to enhance. Then you can either manually enhance it or use AI to auto enhance it. So that is it for auto enhance, right? Next is adjust speed. The adjust speed functions helps you to either increase the speed of your video or reduce the speed of your video. If you want your video to speak faster, right, the adjust speed will help you do that. If you want your video to speak slowly, the adjust speed will help you do that. Just by clicking on it, import the video you want to adjust its speed, then click here to adjust the speed duration. If you want it to be 1.2, you can adjust the speed duration here. If you want it to be slower, you can adjust the speed duration here, right? So that is it for adjust speed. Next is record. The record tool helps you to add voiceovers to your video. Just by clicking on it, you import the clip you want to add voiceover to, then click on this record icon and you'll see a timer and you begin to record your voiceover. After recording, you click on on the icon again to stop recording and then click on OK. You can see it here, my voiceover. You can see it here, right? So that is it for the record tool. So next we have the collage. The collage helps you to add picture layers or layer your pictures in a beautiful way. Just by clicking on it, you select the pictures you want to, layer properly or you want to design. You can choose any layer you want the picture to be in, and that is it for the collage tool. The next tool is the frame capture tool. The frame capture tool helps you to capture interesting moments in your videos, and just by clicking on it, you import the video you want to capture its frame, and the next thing you need to do is to select the that part you want to capture in your video and click on capture, right? and it will be selected. And if you want to capture this part, you click on capture and it will be selected. Instead of screenshotting the video, the parts you want to capture, you just use the frame capture tool to capture those interesting moments in your videos. And after doing your capturing, you click on export and it will be exported. And when you check your gallery, your phone gallery, you can see those picture. You can see the frames we captured. They are like pictures, right? And you can use those captured pictures as your thumbnail, as your video thumbnail. And that's it for the quick action tools. Now when we scroll down, we will see the AI tools, and the first tool here is the auto cut. The auto cut helps you to automatically edit your video, right? By adding transitions to your video. By clicking on it, you select the video or picture you want to quickly auto cut. This tool will be useful if you use it for photo kind of videos. So that is it for the auto cut feature. The next tool is the AI avatar. The AI avatar is used to create AI talking videos. By clicking on it, you choose a template or a reference image. Then when you click on next, you can add your script here. You can add your script here, or you add your voice over here, or you can extract your voice over from a video, or you can record a voice over and AI will say exactly what you want it to say. So that is it for the AI avatar. Next, we have the video translator. The video translator helps you to translate your video from English to China, from English to mention any language you want your video to be translated to. The video translator helps you to do that. Just by clicking on it, you select the video you want to translate its language. You select the lip sync. You select the language you want to transfer this video into. If you want to transfer this video into Arabic language, Arabic, you can click on Arabic and the video will be translated. You click on Arabic and you click on apply and the video will be translated to Arabic language. And that is it for the video translator. Next, we have the AI dialogue scene. The AI dialogue scene works exactly like the AI avatar. The difference is that the AI dialogue scene works with multiple AI characters, so you can have multiple AI talking avatars in a video, right? Just by clicking on it, you choose a photo. That's a reference photo. And you'll be brought to this, interface. And you can write whatever you want your AI avatar to say in this video. So that is it. Basically how to use the AI dialogue scene. It works the same way with the AI avatar. Next, we have the AI image generator, and the AI image generator helps us to generate AI images. Just by clicking on it, you enter your prompt, your image prompt. You can say generate an image of an African woman eating rice, and you click on generate. You can see the images the AI tool helped us to generate. Let's view the images. You see the first image, the second image, and this is the third image and the fourth image. And if you want to save the images, just click on the image you want to save and click on the save icon. For me, I don't want to save the image. And if you want to modify the image, maybe you don't like something in the image, or you want to remove something from the image, or you want to add something to the image, you click on this pencil icon here where you see modify. You click on it and modify your prompt. You add what you want to add to the prompt, or you remove what you want to remove from the prompt and generate again. If also you want an image reference, like you want the AI to follow a particular image to generate the kind of image you want, all you need to do is to click on this square icon that has plus in it and import your reference image. Then click on generate, right? And it will generate your image for you. And if you want to regenerate the image, you can regenerate the image. So that is it for AI image generator 2. And the next is our AI effects. The AI effects tool is used to add effects on our videos automatically. All you need to do is to click on the AI effects tool, then describe the effects you want on your video, right? And it will generate the effect for you. And that is it for the AI effects tool, just to add video effects on your video or picture. My internet is slow. If you want a detailed video on how to use the AI effects tool, just comment below. I will make a video on that. And the next tool is the AI video generator tool. The AI video generator tool helps you to generate AI videos, right? All you need to do is to click AI video, then enter your video prompt, describe your video. A video of a baby dancing. You click on generate. So let's take a look at what CapCut AI video generator generated for us. That's it for the AI video generator. So the next tool is the AI media. This AI media is used to also generate AI videos. Just by clicking on it, you can turn an image to video. You import your image and click on generate here, the generate icon. I don't want to generate the video. And the next is the omni reference, right? You just put a reference image here and you click on generate and it will generate the video. You can also turn text to video just by describing what you want the video to be about and click on generate. It will turn your text to video. And that is it for the AI tools. When you scroll down, you will see the photo editing section, which contains the photo editing tools. And the first tool here is the remove background. And the remove background tool helps you to remove your photo original background. All you need to do is to click on it, select the picture you want to remove its background. And click on next, and the AI will automatically remove the background of your original image. You can, quick erase. You can undo and redo the process. So that is it for the AI image background remover. The next tool is the smart lightning. The smart lightning helps to beautify your photos by adding some lightning effects on your photos. Just by clicking on the photo you want to add the lightning, you can choose any of the effects you want. So that is it for the smart lightning. Next, we have the photo styler tool. By clicking on it, you can style any image you want. Maybe if you want your image to have a love shape on it, you can style your image to be like that, right? So that is it for the image styler. I don't want to style any image right now. Next, we have the AI expand. The AI expand tool helps you to, adjust the frame or the ratio of your photo. By clicking on it, you choose the photo you want to adjust its ratio and click on the ratio you want it to be. If you want the photos to be in 9:16 ratio, you can quickly use this tool to adjust your photo to be in 9:16 ratio. That is it for the AI expand feature. The next tool is the text to image, and the text to image tool is used to generate images by just inputting a text prompt to it. Just by clicking on it, you can, add any text, any image, this thing you want to create, and then click on generate, and your image will be generated. So that is it for the text to image tool. And the next tool we have is the AI photo editor. This tool is an AI tool that helps you to automatically edit your photos. Just by clicking on it, import the photo you want AI to help edit, right? It will, help you edit that photo. You can make the photo glow. You see the results right now. With the glow feature, it has improved the quality of this photo. You can see it, right? You can undo and redo, undo and redo. So the next tool is our marketing tools. Our marketing tools is very, very useful for entrepreneurs mostly. So the first tool we have here is the Smart Ads. The Smart Ads tool helps you to create marketing adverts videos, and all you need to do is to click on it, select the your product images, click on next, and add the name of your product, add the language you want your video to be in. You can add it here. If you want your video to come out in Arabic language, you can, click on Arabic, choose Arabic language here, and you can choose the ratio, aspect ratio of your video. You can choose the duration of your video, and you can choose the what you want the art to be about, right? And some highlights, what you want to add to the ads, and so much more. And when you are through inputting all these settings, then you click on generate, and your ad video will be generated, right? And that is it for the Smart Ad tool. The next tool we have is the product photo. The product photo helps you as an entrepreneur to present your products in an appealing way to the public. That is, if you don't have the finance to or the money to pay to graphic designers to design your photo, so you can maximize this product photo to create or to present your products in an appealing way. Just by clicking on it, you select, I don't have any products here, so let me just say, for example, this is my product. I select it, click on edit, and choose any style, right? Any style here I want my product to appear in. If I sell perfume, this water splash will be a very good design for my product. And you have different designs here. So if you're an entrepreneur, this tool will be very, very useful to you. So that is it for the product photos. The next tool we have here is the AI poster. This is used to create poster for your business, or birthday poster, or any poster at all you want to create. AI will help you create it. So you just click on the feature and describe what you want the AI to create, the kind of poster you want the AI to create. If it is birthday poster, you just describe your poster, describe that you want a birthday poster with this and that and this, then add your image. You can add your image in this square, in this square icon that has plus on it, right? And when you are through, you then click on generate. You can as well click on this icon, this adjust icon, to adjust some settings. If you want it to be in 9:16 ratio, you can adjust it. If you want it to be in 1/1 ratio, you can adjust it. So after the adjustment, you just click on generate and your AI poster will be generated. So the last tool in your marketing tool is the AI fashion model. This tool will be very, very useful and helpful to fashion designers because it provides different AI models that can help you display your fashion, your works, your clothing designs, right? That is what this tool is used for. All you have to do is to click on it, then choose the clothes you want the AI to model. I don't have any clothes here. So just choose the clothes you want the AI to model and then choose the model you want. After choosing the model you want, then click on generate, and after generating, you will see your model wearing your clothes. You can also see different kinds of clothes in here. If you want, maybe you have a gown, you want the AI. Okay. You can as well go through this AI model dresses, right? We have the leggings. If you have a leggings product, you can use the leggings, you can use the hoodie, you can use the tank top. If you want to display a tank top, you can use the tank top. If you want to display a sportswear, you can use it. If you want to display a skirt, you can use it. Jean, you can use it. So these two be very, very helpful for fashion designers. And that is it for the tool section. So still on the edit section, we have the project. The projects consist of videos and photos we've edited or we are still working on, right? And beside each photo, there is a 3 dot icon here. When you click on this 3 dot icon, you can rename each video or photo. You can rename it, right? Or you can duplicate this photo, or you can as well delete this photo. If you delete it, it will be saved in your trash can. So you can as well delete it by just swapping this way. It will be deleted. Also, you can as well change the view of this project's layout, right? You can change how you want it to appear. If you want it to appear in this form, you can change it to be that way. If you want it to appear in this form, you can change it to be this way. And if you want only videos to appear in this form, you can just make it this way. If you want only templates to appear in that form, if there was a template here, you will see it will appear in that form. So that is it for the edit section. So the next section in the CapCut interface is the template section. So the template section consists of already made videos, just like we have in Canva. we have already made templates in Canva where you can change the picture, change the music, change whatsoever you want to change, the text. So if we want to edit or we want to use any template here, we can click on it and click on use templates, and we can choose any photo of our choice. And you see, we can change the music, we can remove this text, add another text to it. So that's it. We can work on it, just position it the way we want it to be. And that is how we use the CapCut templates. And up here you will see pro templates, different kinds of templates. And that is it for our CapCut templates section. The next section on our CapCut interface is the library. The library also consists of our videos and photos we have edited or we are still working on, right? So the first section is the photo and the videos. The second section is the space, the CapCut storage, cloud storage. And when you come down, you will see favorites. This favorite consists of photos or video you added to favorite. The next is your brand kit. Your brand kit consists of your brand text, your brand photo, your brand background music. So let's just click on it and you see what I'm talking about. So your brand image, if you have a logo here, your brand logo, you can add it to this place. You can import it, add your brand logo to this part, and it will be stored as your brand logo. If you want to easily add logos to your video, you can, quickly see it in your brand image. And we have the share for review, we have next the purchase, and we have next the trash. The trash consists of videos we've already deleted. All the deleted videos are in our trash can. So all you have to do is to click on it and click on this three dot icon to either restore the video. Let's say if you mistakenly deleted a video, you can restore it here, or you want to permanently delete that video, you can click on delete to delete the video. And that is it for the library section. And the last section in my CapCut home interface is the me section. The me section consists of the setting and informations about me. So when you look up here, you see my profile here. And if I want to edit anything on my profile, I can do it here. I can click on edit profile. I can add a nickname to my profile. I can change my gender here, right? I can add a bio to my profile here. And after writing what I want to write, I will click on confirm to add a bio to my profile. I can add my YouTube this thing link here to my profile. I can add my YouTube link to my profile. If I have a TikTok account, I can add my TikTok account link so that anyone that views my profile can follow me on my social media handle. So that is it for the profile. I cannot as well see the people that are following me on my profile and the people that I am following, right? And that is it for the profile. When you look up here next, you see the Renew Pro. The Renew Pro is just basically to renew your subscription, your CapCut subscription. So the next is this bell icon. The bell icon just signifies notifications. If CapCut has an information for you, it will be in this notification icon here. Just by clicking it, you will see all the messages CapCut sends to you. And next is our setting icon. This gear icon here is our setting icon, where you set some necessary or important things. And in the setting icon, we have the account, and under the account we have edit profile, we have manage account. You can manage your CapCut account here. We have block account. You can block your account here if you're not using it again. And next we have the preferences, and under these preferences we have app language. You can click on it to change your language, to change the app language to the your language, the kind of this thing you speak. Yes, if I want to change it to Filipino, I will change it to Filipino, and every text on this my CapCut app will be appearing in Filipino language. So that is it for the app language. And next we have the add default ending. This add default ending is simply those CapCut ending, or those CapCut logo that appears at the end of your video. If you turn it on, it means that every video you export, you have the CapCut logo at the end part of it. So if you don't want that to happen to your video, if you don't want all those CapCut logo at the end of your video, just turn it off by clicking on it and click on discard, and it will, your video will never have that CapCut logo at the end of it. And we have the auto upload, we have the auto, we have the add widget, and the next is feedback and about. If you have any idea you want to share with CapCut, you can click on the feedback this thing option there and write your feedback. Or if you want, if you have feedback on any tool you are using, you can as well, write your feedback by just using the feedback tool here. And next we have the trust center, where you can do some security stuffs on your CapCut account. We have the terms and policy of CapCut. We have the clear cache. If the clear cache is used when you notice that your CapCut app is beginning to slow down, you just come to setting, come to clear cache, and click on clear cache and clear the cache on your CapCut app, and your CapCut app will be free again. It's just like when you offload a burden from a person, that person will be light again. That's just it. When you clear your CapCut cache, you are offloading a burden from the app, and your app will be free again to do some more work for you. And we have the version of your CapCut, and when you look down here, you have switch account. If you have a 2 CapCut account, you can switch account, or you can sign out from this CapCut account, and that is it for this setting. And when you come down here, this is just for CapCut template creators, but in this likes and favorites, this consists of templates you've liked and you've added to your favorites. And this view history are also templates you viewed. Remember, we opened this template, so this view history consists of templates we have viewed, and the like and favorites consist of templates that we liked. Maybe if we used any template and we liked it, right, the templates will appear here. So that is it for the like, favorites, and view history. If you want to apply for CapCut template creator, all you have to do is click on apply here, and you can apply to be a CapCut template creator. If you want any help from CapCut, maybe you're noticing some issues in your CapCut account, you can go to the help center and drop your problem, just lay your complaint to them, and by the grace of God, your problem will be solved. And we have the reward center here. This reward center is for the CapCut template creators. And we have finally the scan. You can use this scan to scan documents in your CapCut, or scan a QR code using your CapCut app. All right, and you may be wondering, what is this circle that has a plus icon on it? What is it used for? It's just basically used to import a video or a photo you want to edit. That's just it. You can use it to import. So that is it for the CapCut home interface. In the next part of this video, I'll be explaining and showing you the different tools in the CapCut editing interface. Welcome to the second part of this tutorial, where I'll be explaining the tools in the CapCut video editing interface. Now, for us to be able to access and explore the CapCut editing interface, we need to first of all click on this new video to be able to import a new video into our CapCut video editing interface. So let's go ahead to click on new video. Then I'll select on the video I want to edit, then click on add. And you're welcome to the CapCut video editing interface. So this interface is divided into 4 sections. We have the first section, and we have the second section, the third section, and the last section. And I'll be explaining the function of each tool in each of these sections. Let's start with the first section. At the top left hand side of this first section, you will see a multiplication icon, and this multiplication icon is used for closing the current project you are working on. Let's say, for example, if I want to close this particular project right now, all I have to do is to tap on this multiplication icon, and I'll be taken back to our CapCut homepage. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So I'll click on this icon, and you can see that we are now on the CapCut homepage. So that is how you close your project on CapCut using the multiplication icon, which is the close project tool. Next, beside the multiplication icon, you will see a search icon, which is used to search for any tool you want to use for your editing on CapCut. Let's say, for instance, if I want to search for sound, let's say I want to quickly add sound on a video that I just imported. All I have to do is just to click on the search icon, then search for sound, and you can see different sound and sound effects I can use here on CapCut. You can see the sounds, you can see the sound effects I can use, and that is how you can utilize your search tool. Next, if you look to the top right side of this interface, you will see the export setting. The export setting helps us to apply necessary settings on our finished video before exporting, so that our video will look professional and play smoothly. So let's go ahead to check out our export setting. Let's click on it, and you can see the different export settings here. We have the AI Ultra HD. The AI Ultra HD helps to enhance your video, and whenever I'm exporting my video, I don't like turning it on because it adds too much enhancements to my video. Since I've already, color graded my videos, so I don't like turning it on. Next, we have the resolution. The resolution helps to increase the quality of your video. So if you draw the resolution, if you draw this line right here to the right hand side, right, you are increasing the resolution of your video. If you draw it to the left hand side, you are decreasing the resolution of your video. That means your video will not be coming out in high quality. But if you draw it to the right hand side, and the best resolution is 180p and 2K or 4K p. So if you increase your resolution, that means your video will be coming out in high quality. So the higher your resolution, the higher your video quality, and the lower your resolution, the lower your video quality. And after the resolution, we have our frame rate. Our frame rate is used to frame our video, and it is advised that the same frame rate you use in shooting when shooting your video should be the same frame rate you use when exporting your video. If you use 30 frame rate for your video shooting, when exporting, use 30 frame rates per seconds. And that is it for frame rate. Next, here on the settings, we have optical flow. This optical flow makes your video to play back smoothly, right? And next, we have the bit rate. And the bit rates or byte rates refers to how much data is used to store each seconds of your video during export, and it also controls your video quality. Next, we have the smart HDR, and the smart HDR converts your clips to an HDR videos. And next, we have the watermark, and the watermark is used to put the CapCut watermark on your video. If you don't want the CapCut watermark on your video, all you have to do is to click on this arrow right here, and you click on hidden. But if you want the CapCut watermark on your videos, just click on visible, and then you click on the position you want the CapCut watermark to be on. But I don't want the CapCut watermark on my video, so I'll click on hidden. And that's all for our export settings. The next section on our CapCut interface is the preview section. The preview section is where you see your video when editing. And under the preview section, we have some tools under it. For example, we have the expand tools, which is this arrow icon under here. And if you click on it, you will be able to view your video in full screen, just as we can view this video right now in full screen. The next tool under your preview section is the play button icon. The play button icon helps you to play your video while editing it. If I want to play this video, all I have to do is just to tap on this play button icon, right? And the video will play, right? If I want to also pause the video, I will tap on it again and the video will stop playing. And that is it for the play button icon. The next tool we have here under the preview section is the link. This tool here, right here. This link icon, which is showing right here, helps to clip your video together if you turn it on, just by tapping on it. But if you turn it off, right? If you turn it off just by tapping on it, if you want to separate this video now, it will be able to, your video will be able to stay separately, right? So that is what this link icon is used for. So the next tool under the preview section is the undo and redo button, which is this two icon that looks like hook. And the undo tool helps you to remove an action done on your video clip, while the redo tool helps you to repeat a particular action done on your video clips. So for us to be able to use our redo and undo tool, we must first of all take an action on our video clip by splitting it. Let's split this video right now. You can see, right, the undo tool is now highlighted. So if we don't want this split to be on this video clip any longer, we can click on the undo tool and you see that the split is no longer on our video. And you can also see that the redo icon is being highlighted. If I decide to say, okay, I want to add the splits on my video clip, I can now click on the redo icon and you can see that the split is now back on our video clip. So let me click on the undo icon because I don't want any split on the video clip. So that is all for the preview section and how to use the tools under the preview section. The next section on our CapCut video editing interface is our video timeline. Our video timeline houses all our editing clips. In our video timeline, you will see our video, our audio, text, and overlays. So let's say, for example, if I decide to add a text on my video, you will see it appear on our video timeline. So let me go ahead to add a text on my video. I'll click on text, add text. Then I'll type my text. Hello. Yes. Great. Now, can you see that our text is now on our video timeline? Can you see it? Just on the text section. So the video timeline houses all our video editing clips. Now, when you look at the left side of our video timeline, you will see two tools. The first tool you will see is the mute clip, which is this microphone icon showing right here. When you click on the mute clip, all the sound in your video will be muted. That means there will be no sound anymore on my video, right? If you also tap on it again, you will unmute it, meaning that your sound will be back. And the second tool we have on the video timeline is this cover, which is this pencil icon here. The cover works like a book cover. When you click on it, you can choose a particular section of your video that you like. Then that section of your video will be the first thing people will see before clicking on your video. So you can use this cover for your thumbnail. Let's say, for example, I want to create a thumbnail for this video. I will click on the cover icon, then choose a particular section I love in this video, then add text. And you can see that this video has text on it. You can see the text on it, right? The next thing is to save it. So whenever people see this video, the first thing they will see is the cover, which is that particular section of my video that I choose. So that is what the cover is mostly used for. And that is all for the video timeline and the tools in our video timeline. The last section on our CapCut video editing interface is the tools bar. The tools bar comprises of all the editing and sub-editing tools that can be used to edit professional looking videos on CapCut. And the first tool on the tools bar is the edit tool. This tool helps you to edit a particular video clip. Also, the edit tool has sub tools. If you click on it, you will see sub tools, and the first sub tool you will see here is the split tool. The split tool helps you to divide your clip into two. For example, if I want to divide this particular video clip, the first thing I'll do is to make sure that my cursor, which is this straight line here, is on the particular place I want to split. Then the next thing I will do is to go ahead and tap on the split icon or the split tool. And you can see that our video is now divided. This clip is now separate. Can you see it? So that is how to use the split tool, which is the first sub tool on our edit tool. The next tool we have beside the split tool is the volume tool, which is this speaker icon right here. And the volume tool is used to add volume to your video. If, for example, I want to increase the volume of this video, all I have to do is to tap on the volume tool. And if I want to increase the volume of this video, I will drag this line to my right hand side. And if I want to decrease the volume of this video, I will drag this line to my left hand side according to my preference, right? So that is how to use the volume tool. Next, we have the animation tool. The animation tool helps you to add beautiful motions to your video. Just by clicking on the tool, you will see different animations. You can tap on any animation you want to add to your video. So if you want to add in animation, come right here where you see in and tap on it and choose any in animation of your choice. And if you want to add out animation, you come up here and choose out, and you can now select any out animation of your choice. But if you want your animation to stay throughout your video, all you have to do is to come to this place right here where you see combo and tap on it, and you can choose any animation of your choice and it will stay throughout your video. And you can as well save animations just by long pressing the animation of your choice. It will be saved to your favorites. And if you want to see the animation you save, just click on this icon right here and you will see the animations you save. You can as well search for animation just by clicking on this search bar here, and you can search for any animation of your choice. You can see the animation I just searched. So that is how to use your animation tool. Next, we have the effects tool. The effects tool is used to add beautiful effects to our videos. For example, if I want to add blur to my video, if I want to blur this video right now, all I have to do is to click on the effects tool, which is this star icon right here. I'll click on it, then click on where you see video effects. I'll click on it. Then I can use the search bar to search for any blur effect of my choice. I'll search for blur. Then I can choose any blur effect of my choice. You can see that my video is now blurred. And if I want to reduce the blur effect of my video to my test, all I have to do is to tap on this blur effect. Then I will drag this line here to my left hand side, and if I want to increase it, I will drag the line to my right hand side. So that is how to use the blur effect. And I can as well choose to save any blur effect or any effect of my choice just by long pressing on the effect, and it will be saved to my favorites. And I can come here to see the effect I saved to my favorites. And that is how to use your blur effects. Next, we have the delete tool. The delete tool helps you to delete any clip you don't want anymore on your timeline. For example, if I don't want this video to be on my timeline anymore, all I have to do is to select the video by tapping on it. Next, I will click on my delete tool, and you can see that the video is no more on my timeline, meaning that I've deleted it, right? That is how to use the delete tool. You can as well follow this process if you want to delete any text, audio, or anything at all that is on your timeline. So that is how to use the delete tool. Next, we have the speed tool. The speed tool here helps you to fasten your video or slow your video. For example, if I want to make this video clip to be fast, all I have to do is just to click on the speed tool, then click on normal. And if I want to fasten the video, I have to drag this line here to any number of my choice, but I love putting it in 1.2 or 1.1. And if I want to slow this video, make it play slowly, all I have to do is to drag this line backward to any number of my choice. And that is how to use the speed tool. Next, we have the crop tool. The crop tool helps you to remove any area you don't want to show on your video. Let's say, for example, if I don't want to show the upper part of this my video, all I have to do is to select the video clip, then tap on this crop here and tap on custom crop so that I can manually crop the video. Then I'll drag the upper part of my video to crop the video. Now I can as well crop this video by ratio. All I have to do is to click on the ratio of my choice. I want to click on the 9:16 ratio, and it will automatically crop my video into a 9:16 ratio video. If I want to undo any cropping I've done to this video, all I have to do is to click on the reset menu down below, and every cropping I've done to this video will be off. And that is how to use your crop tool. Next, we have the duplicate. The duplicate tool helps you to double any clip on your timeline. Let's say, for instance, if I want to duplicate this video clip, all I have to do is to select my video clip, then click on duplicate, and you see that this video is now double. Can you see? And that is what the duplicate tool helps you to do. It helps you to double any clip on your timeline. And that is how to use the duplicate tool. Next, we have the replace tool. The replace tool is used to change any video clip on your timeline into a new video clip. For example, if I don't want this video clip anymore on this timeline and I want to change it into a new video clip, all I have to do is to select my clip, then click on replace. Then I can choose any video clip of my choice and click on confirm. Can you see that my clip is now replaced? I don't have the other clip anymore on my timeline. It is now this clip I have on my timeline. So that is the function of the replace tool. It helps you to quickly replace an old clip into a new clip. Next, we have the overlay tool. The overlay tool helps you to add a video clip or a picture into an existing video clip. In some video editing app, you will see PIP as their overlay. The PIP means picture in picture. Let's say, for example, I want to use this video clip on my right hand side as my overlay. All I have to do is to select the video clip, then click on overlay, and you will see my overlay under my main video clip. And you can see my overlay here, right? So let me show you my overlay. Now, this clip right here is my overlay, while this one right here is my main clip. If this was my product picture, I can add it here to my main video clip as an overlay. So that is what an overlay is used for. So overlay helps you to add a picture or video into another video clip. So that is the function of the overlay tool. Next, we have the adjust tool. The adjust tool helps us to manually enhance our video or pictures. If I want to enhance this video, for example, all I have to do is to select the video, then tap on adjust, and you can see different tools here you can use to, adjust your video or boost the color or look of your video. The first two here, we have the color match and the color correction. These are AI tools. Next, we have brightness. If I want to increase the brightness of my video, I will drag this line here to my right hand side, and if I want to reduce the brightness of my video, I will drag this line here to my left hand side. Next, we have the contrast. The contrast helps to boost the color in your video. If I want to increase my contrast, I will drag the line here to my right, and if I want to reduce the contrast in my video, I will drag the line to my left hand side. Next, we have the saturation. The saturation works similarly as the contrast. The saturation helps to boost the color in your video or add color to your video. If I want to increase it, same here. Can you see that the saturation of my video, all the colors are out? The orange color is showing properly. The red color is showing. Everything is showing. And if you want me to do an in-depth tutorial on how to use this tool to manually color grade your video, let me know in the comment section. And that is all about the adjust tool. Next, we have the filters. The filters are used to automatically enhance the look of your video. If I want to enhance the look of this video, all I have to do is to click on filters. Then I can choose any filter of my choice, or I can click on this search icon right here at the top, then search for any filter of my choice. Let me search for 8K filter. Then the next thing to do is to tap on the 8K filter, and you can see that the filter is now applied to my video clip. I can as well adjust this filter by dragging this line here to my left hand side. Also, I can choose to apply this filter to all of my video clip on my video timeline. All I have to do is to come here where you see apply to all and tap on apply to all, and all of your video clip you have this particular filter. So that is how to use the filter to automatically enhance the look of your video. Next, we have the retouch. The retouch is used to beautify your video clip or the person in your video clip. Let's say, for instance, if I want to beautify the face of the person in this video, all I have to do is to select my video clip, then click on retouch, click on face. I can automatically retouch this video clip, but I don't want to automatically retouch it. I want to manually retouch it. The next thing I'll do is to click on retouch, and I can use these tools here to enhance the beauty of this video, of the person or of the face of the person in this video. I can plumb the face of the person on this picture. I can clear every blemishes on this picture. I can smoothen the face of the person on this picture. I can change the skin tone of the person on this picture, right? I can do a whole lot of things with this tool. I can also apply these enhancements to all the video clip on my timeline just by tapping on apply to all. And these enhancements, the enhancements I've done to this particular video clip will be on all of the video clip on my timeline. And if you need an in-depth tutorial on how to use the retouch tool, let me know in the comment section, because I don't want this video to be too long, right? I will make an in-depth tutorial on how to use the retouch tool to enhance the look of the person in a video clip. And that is how to use the retouch tool. Next, we have the video quality tool. The video quality tool contains all the tool you need to enhance the quality of your video. If I want to enhance the quality of this video, all I have to do is to select the video and click on video quality, and I can use these tools here: the enhance quality, reduce noise, auto adjust, stabilize, optical flow, remove flicker. I can use all of those tools to do what? Enhance the quality of this video clip. Next, we have the remove BG. The remove BG helps you to remove the background of any video clip on your timeline. For example, if I want to remove the background of this video clip, all I have to do is to select the video clip by tapping on it, then tap on remove BG, and I can see different tools here. Can you see different tools here we can use to remove the background of our video? We have the auto removal, which is an AI feature that can be used to automatically remove the background of your video. We have the custom removal. The custom removal is used to manually remove the background of your video. And we have the chroma key. If you tap on the auto removal, the background of your video will be automatically removed. Can you see that the background of my video is now removed, right? Can you see it, right? So if I tap on custom remove, that means I want to manually remove the background of this video. I'll just tap on the area I want to remove and click on this tick icon. And if I want to use the chroma key to remove my video background, all I have to do is to tap on my chroma key. You can see this circle icon, this circle tool that has appeared on my video. All I have to do is to drag this circle tool to a solid, on this solid background, and it will remove the background of my video. So this chroma key is mostly used on a green screen. If you want to achieve a clear and neat background removal, use this chroma key on a green screen. So that is how to use the remove BG. Next, we have the AI remove. The AI remove is an AI tool that helps you to remove anything you don't want on your video. We have the AI expand. The AI expand helps you to automatically expand your video to any ratio of your choice. Can you see it, right? So your AI expand can expand your video to any ratio of your choice, and then hit generate, and this video will be automatically be adjusted to the ratio you have selected here. Next, we have the AI remix. All these tools are not that necessary. Next, we have the relight. The relight helps you to put RGB lightnings to your video. And we have the opacity. The opacity helps you to either reduce the color of this video or increase the color of this video. It makes your video either visible. By clicking on it, you can either reduce the color of this video by dragging this line to your left hand side. Can you see that my video is no longer visible? If I drag this line to my right hand side, my video will become visible. Everything in my video will be visible. So the opacity helps you to, show the visibility of your video or reduce the visibility of your video. We have the motion blur and we have the lip sync. Those tools are not that necessary for now. We have the transform. The transform helps you to transform your video into any position of your choice. By clicking on it, you can see different tools you can use to transform your video. We have the mirror tool, the rotate, the advance. The mirror tool helps you to flip your video. Just tap on it and your video clip will be flipped. While the rotate tool helps you to rotate your video. Can you see that my video is rotating? Can you see? So, and the advance tool, you can use the advance tool to either zoom your video or reduce the zoom of your video. So that is the function of your transform tool. Next, we have the auto reframe. The auto reframe tool is an AI tool that helps you to automatically change the ratio of your video. For example, if I want to auto reframe this video, right, all I have to do is to select the video clip, then click on auto reframe, and I will click on the ratio I want to auto reframe, and this and AI will help me to automatically reframe the video, this video clip, right? So the auto reframe tool helps you to change the aspect ratio of your video, right, using AI. Next, we have the stabilize. The stabilize helps you to normalize a shaky video. Let's say, for instance, if this video was shaky when I filmed it, I can import it and use the stabilize tool to normalize it just by selecting the video and clicking on stabilize, and then select how I want this stabilization to be, then click on OK. This video will be stabilized. The shakiness in the video will not be there anymore. So that is what the stabilize tool is used for. We have camera tracking as our next tool. Next, we have the extract audio. The extract audio helps us to separate our audio from our video or remove the audio from our video. Let's say, for example, if I want to extract the audio from this video, all I have to do is to select the video, then click on extract, and you can see that my audio is now out. Can you see? My audio is separate and my video is separate. Can you see, right? That is what the extract audio is used for. Next, we have the isolate voice. The isolate voice is used to remove any audio or any voice you don't want in your video. And the isolate voice tool is very useful if you want to keep the voice in your video and remove any other sound from your video. Let's say, for instance, if I want to keep the voice in this video, the main voice in this video, and remove any background music I used in this video, all I have to do is to select the video, then click on isolate voice, and then click on keep voice, and the voice in this video will be kept and the music will be out. And if I want to, remove the voice in this video and keep the music, all I have to do is to click on remove voice, and the voice in this video will be removed while the music will be kept. So that is the function of the isolate voice tool. Next, we have the reduce noise. The reduce noise is used to remove background noise from your video. If you want to remove the background noise in any video clip, all you have to do is to select the video clip you want to remove the noise from, then click on reduce noise and toggle on this reduce noise option, then click on this good option, and the noise in your video will be removed. Next, we have the audio effect. The audio effect helps you to change the voice in your video. Let's say, for instance, if I want to change the voice in this video, all I have to do is to click on audio effects, and I can use this search icon right here to search for any audio effect I want. I can search for bass audio effect, and if I click on any of the audio effects, the voice in my video we have a bass voice. Next, we have the enhanced voice tool. The enhanced voice tool helps you to beautify your voice. It makes your voice sound like those studio like voice, right? So if you want to enhance the voice in your video, and make it sound like you're using an expensive mic, then you can use this enhance voice tool to enhance the voice in your video. All you have to do is to select the video you want to enhance its voice, then click on enhance voice, toggle this thing on, and the voice in your video will be enhanced. And that is the function of the enhance voice tool. And next we have the freeze tool. The freeze tool helps you to freeze the motion in your video. Let's say if I don't want any motion in this video, I just want the video to be static, all I have to do is to select my video and click on freeze, and this video will be freezed. The motion in this video will not be anymore. If the person in this video was moving or talking, they will no longer be talking anymore, and they will no longer be moving. So that is the function of the freeze tool. Next we have the reverse tool. The reverse tool helps your clip to play backward. And next we have the max tool. The max tool helps you to cover a particular part of your video. If I want to max the down part of this video, all I have to do is to select the video, then tap on max, then I'll choose any option here. But since I'm maxing the down part of the video, I will choose the horizontal max. Then I can adjust the maxing of this video by bringing this thing down. Can you see, right? By bringing it down, I can adjust the maxing of this video, and I can as well reduce the maxing of this video by tapping on this white icon here. I'll reduce the maxing of the video, right? And when I'm through, I'll just click on the tick icon here, or the good icon, and my video will be maxed. And lastly, we have the link option. I've explained it before. And that's all the sub tool we have in the editing tool. The next tool we have on our tools bar is the audio tool. If you tap on the audio tool, you will see different audio tools you can use for the audio of your video. The first tool here is the extract tool. I've explained what the extract tool is used for. And the next tool here is the sounds. The sound contain background music you can use for your video. And in the sound, you can also import your own personal music or voice, right? If you click on sound, you will see different background musics here. And if you click on this file icon, you can import your own background music or your own audio by clicking on the device option here, right? So that is how you can use the sound. And you have sound effects. By clicking on sound effects, you can see different sound effects here that you can use. You have the mouse click sound effects, and you can as well save any sound effects you want to keep using consistently, and you can as well download any sound effects you want. By clicking on this icon here, you will see your saved sound effects. Next, we have the record tool. The record tool is used to record voiceover to your video. By clicking on the record tool, you will see this record icon here, and you can click on it to start recording. And you see it is recording my voice. Can you see? And you can click on it also to stop recording. And you can also utilize your teleprompter while doing your voiceover. The next tool here is text to audio. This is an AI tool that will help you turn your text into audio. For example, if I want to turn my text into audio, I can click here and type whatever I want the AI to say, and I'll click on apply, choose the voice I want, and the AI will help me turn my text into audio. And next we have the brand music. The brand music contains all your brand music, all your company music, like your personal music. And the copyright check helps you to check if there is any copyright on any music you use in your video, right? Just by clicking on it, you can check if there is any copyright on your video. And that's all for the audio tool. And the next tool we have on our tools bar is the text tool. If you click on the text tool, you will see different tools you can use to add text to your video. The first tool here, we have the add text. This will help you to manually add text to your video. And the next tool we have here, we have the auto caption. This auto caption helps you to add subtitle to your video. Like, it helps you to automatically add text to your video by clicking on it and choosing the format, how you want your subtitle to appear, and clicking on generate, and you have subtitles or captions on your video. The next two here, we have stickers. Stickers contain emojis and other things or other stickers you can use to enhance your video. Let's say, for instance, if I want to add a subscribe sticker or a crying sticker to my video or a laughing sticker to my video, all I have to do is to click on sticker, search for crying, and you will see different crying stickers. If I want to search for subscribe sticker, I'll search for subscribe sticker, and you will see different subscribe sticker here, and I can use any of them on my video. The next tool I have is the draw tool. The draw tool helps you to draw on your video, right? Let's say, for instance, if you want to make a highlight or you want to highlight something on your video, you can use this draw tool to highlight whatsoever you want to highlight on your video. For just by clicking on draw, I'll select the color I want to use, and I can now draw anything I want to draw on my video. I can as well click on this erase icon and erase my drawing. Can you see it? And erase my drawing, and when I'm through, I'll click on my check icon. The next tool here is the test template. The test template contains already made tests that you can use immediately on your video. By clicking on it, you will see different kinds of tests. Can you see beautiful already made tests? And you can as well customize these tests, and you can as well search for any test you want to use. Let's say for instance, if I want to use the subscribe test template, you see it here. You will see, can you see all the subscribe test templates, right? So subscribe to our channel. The test template is very, very useful. And we have text to audio. I already have explained what the text to audio tool is used for. And that is all for the text tool. The next tool we have on our tools bar is the effects tool. And I've explained what the effects tool is used for. And the next tool is the overlay tool. I've also explained what the overlay tool is used for. And the next tool is the captions. The caption tool also works as like the auto caption tool. It helps you to add subtitle to your videos. And we have the filter tool. The filter tool, I've already explained what the filter tool is used for. Next, we have the adjust tool. The adjust tool, I've already explained earlier what the adjust tool is used for. And next, we have the sticker. I've already explained what the stickers tool is used for. And next, we have the AI avatar. The AI avatar is used to create AI talking videos just by clicking on it and choosing the type of AI video creation you want to do. If you want to create a photo to avatar video, you can choose the photo to avatar video. So you can utilize any of these two to create your AI avatar videos. And next, we have the AI media. The AI media also is used to create AI videos too. Next, we have the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio helps you to frame your video properly. Just by clicking on it, you can select any social media aspect ratio of your choice. If your video is for TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reel, you can go with the 9:16 aspect ratio. If you are creating an Instagram post, you can go with the 1:1 aspect ratio. If you're creating a YouTube long video, you can go with the 16:9 aspect ratio. And you can as well use the 4:3 aspect ratio for your YouTube long video. And if you are creating an image, you can use 3:4 aspect ratio, just according to your preference. The next tool we have on our tools bar is the background. The background here is not the background of your video, is the background of your timeline. So if you tap on the background, you can choose the color, the background color of your timeline. Let me shrink this video so that you will see what I'm talking about. You can choose the color of the background color of your timeline just by tapping on color. and you can decide to make the background color orange, yellow, pink, purple, or any color of your choice. And you can use an image as the background of your timeline just by clicking on image, then click on this image icon here. Then you can import the image you want to use as the background image of your timeline, and you can use it as the background image of your timeline. You can as well blur the background image of your timeline just by clicking on blur. You will see different blur options here. Can you see? You can blur, add too much blur to it and little blur to it, right? And you can as well add your brand background as your timeline background if you have your brand background here. And that's all the tools and the function of the tools in your CapCut video editing interface. Now you understand the CapCut mobile interface. The best way to improve is to start practicing. So go ahead and try editing your own video today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification icon so you don't miss any of our CapCut tutorials, and do well to drop any question you have in the comment section, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.